This is our adventure on the journey through the unknown. Luna, I will help you. You might want to lift them up. Oscar. He's very brave. He has made it through the perilous. Oh, we're lost. Oh. Luna, can you help us? Looks like we're stuck. We'll have to go through the rocks.
Okay.
Through the rocks? Through the rocks.
Through the rocks.
Oscar, this way. I'm gonna need you to lift him. I don't want him walking through the rocks because he can break a leg easily. All right. Woo! Hanging low. Oh, look. We've come up on some interesting territory. I think civilization exists. We can come through here or go through there. We'll go through here.
Hard to see. Okay.
Caught on the tree. All right, we can put him down now. That was fun. This was fun. Something found on our little nature walk. Okay. Beautiful blue feather. Sure is a very nice area. I think we're gonna go and take the road less traveled. Lead the way, guys. Ooh, there's an ominous looking place right in front. I think that's where we're gonna head. Yeah, we kind of did, didn't we? Little circle. That was pretty fun. Oh, yeah. Hey, look, porta pots. The explored building area has porta pots, guys. So, in case you need to go to the bathroom and you're in the middle of the woods, we've got porta pots. Yeah. Deet, 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 deet. Porta pots on our nature hike. Not expected. So, we have come upon this. Love it. Look, baseball field. There's playground. I think that's a school. Look, basketball courts. Davis has so many awesome bike paths. Hey, look, trash cans. More trash cans. They want to make sure that you put your garbage away where it belongs. And that's a good idea. Let's go this way and see what it has to hold for us. Hey guys, look at this tree. It literally is half and half. Half alive and half dead. That is really intriguing. Yeah, only be on the live side if you want to climb this tree. Yes, literally half and half two-tone. That's pretty cool. I love our little areas. Yeah. They want to come in through here. They want to see the big tree. The big tree, guys. Big tree. Not so big, but it's nice. It's got a big, thick trunk. Yeah, it's pretty big for a city tree. Pretty big for a city tree. It is pretty though. I like its shape. And look, we have found our way back to the front where we first actually started. We were playing Pokemon. This was one of the stops that we had to come to. It's the Explore It area. It's a little kind of museum for kids here in Davis. But it has long since been slightly abandoned since COVID. So sad. Looks like a pretty neat set of grounds to be on. Now we have to be alert. See you on the other side.